Here we are looking at a 2025 Newmar New Aire 3543 at the 2025 FRVTA Florida RV Supershow. And here, that's the show price you're looking at. Look at this beautiful front cap here with these mirrors on either side. We're going to do a quick little view of the outside, and then we'll look to the inside. Here we have a Domestic refrigerator freezer on a slide-out tray. We have one little narrow storage here. Here is a storage bay with a slide-out tray. And look at this. It's very interesting. It's actually a barn door here, and there's two slide-out trays here. Very interesting, don't you think? And here we have your little storage with a little battery control center, looks like. And you see they do shut, but they're sometimes a little stubborn. That's why they call them slam latches. Here's a little bay here, fully carpeted. And here is some of your main cutoff switch and your starting batteries for your coach. All right. Now here's this one big slide here, and a TV with Bluetooth soundbar. And just gonna close these up here, and let's go inside and check it out here. So we're going inside.
Yeah, it's warmer in here.
The New Aire here. Okay.
All right, so we have the very similar thing that Newmar has on the screen. You do have your radio and main menu along with your camera. You can see the back, front, or the sides. You set that up whatever way you want. You do have some of your controls here along with your power, your phone switches and everything along here. Your air conditioning controls. Got a couple drawers on the console. Got some nice spaces up here. I guess you could throw change or something in there. And on this side you have your leveling system, your drink holders, and your mirror switches, etc. Now what's interesting on this one, I believe it was the second drawer here. I took a peek ahead of you, man. They have all the things marked kind of nice here. So you have your privacy shades, your door awning, your security. Up here you can see it's the battery power. I know you were wondering that. And another coach, the wind guard. So I like the way they have it nicely labeled. And I also like the big print for us old people. I don't have to put my reading glasses on. Thank you, Newmar. Okay, over here we have some electronic connections up there and some storage.
Okay.
And over here you basically have these half storage spaces.
Okay.
That's the only thing I really have against Newmar, and it's not a big thing. It's like, okay, just make it halfway and, you know.
What's behind this door number one?
This is some really big storage space here. You got two shelves in here with lots of storage. I like that. Yeah, that's good for whatever you want to put in there. And over here you got two more cabinets.
With two small little storage, now I would say storage, but just basically looks like some electronics.
And over here you do have your co-pilot navigation system. As long as they can adjust their own stuff, they do have a place here for your phone charger. And there's a little storage space way down there near the floor. Okay.
And a little 12-volt socket there now. It's also an outlet here and a little touchscreen for controls here. So.
Right. Then they have a nice little dinette booth here. They do have pull-out drawers, so you have storage underneath. And,
now it's interesting. It's a two-part thing. It has storage right.
You put magazines and whatnot in there, and then you have a little storage here. And then this one over here, you've got the same thing.
Not very deep, though.
Not very deep, but you have a little storage. That's for your fancy placemats and such.
Now imagine this to be made into a bed.
It can be made into a bed, and you have your televator TV right there.
Okay.
And actually, I'm not sure it does make into a bed. I do not think this makes into a bed.
You don't think it makes into a bed?
I do not.
Okay, well,
that is my guess.
We stand corrected. This is to not be made into a bed.
Okay, if we're wrong,
but if we're wrong, let us know.
Okay, here again, nice storage space here. I wish they did. I understand for aesthetics, it does look much nicer that way. Okay, a little storage there, and then a little more storage on that end. Directly across from there, you have your two recliners. They are electronic. They are an extra wide, so there's plenty of room here. So I can gain a few more pounds, and it won't matter. This is what I was saying in the other coach.
Lighting.
To turn the lights on, you actually say you want to pick this one. You have to slide it up to turn them all on.
Okay.
So, right above you, Ben, is a very neat ceiling fixture. It's mirror with lights, so it really reflects the light in here really well. We do have some more storage over here in a little china cabinet area. There's some nice doors, a fireplace, and just a little drawer here maybe. I think it might be an access panel. And you have your central vac down here. Into the kitchen. Got two big cabinets up top.
Yeah, it looks like it comes with Starlink. There's a Starlink box,
Starlink there, and you got a nice tray here to put stuff in that slides out, very simple. Okay, over here you have a rounded sink, a little different. And you do have a induction top stove, which does come out.
And I don't think the cabinet above the microwave comes out. That's also.
No, that's solid. And the microwave is a Samsung this time. So Samsung, there's some of the convection types if you want to do some major cooking. Below there we do have some more space. You do have a slide out drawer here.
For trash, I guess, right?
Yeah, possibly. And there's another trash here. You do have your sponge tray. And you have 4 drawers here. They are from small all the way to the larger one at the bottom. We do have our dishwasher. Ooh, this one's open. And we do have a drawer here for your cutlery. Okay, and right next to that area, we do have our double door refrigerator. See, plenty of storage there, along with the freezer below. And it does have a drawer on the top here, so we got extra storage there. All right, I got something's out of place here.
Probably the latte mechanism. I have to lift it up.
There we go. It's an adventure figuring these things out. Oh, what a pretty vessel sink. It's kind of a silver raindrop with a silver backsplash. A lighted mirror, which is really nice. And there we go. You do have a fixed shelf in there. Very easy to add another shelf if you wanted some smaller spaces. And you also have a couple fixed shelves there. You got your little towel bar here. Down below, we've got a fixed shelf there and a little space underneath. And an outlet here for our hair dryer, curling iron, and whatever.
Behind you, we've got an egress door. Newmar is very special with that. You can just actually open it up and it'll come out and make stairs. So it's easier for you to exit in case of emergency. So,
look at the shower. It looks really nice. Yeah, I hope you like it because it's kind of.
There's a seat here. And
I love the decor in there.
It's got the shower miser, as well as a adjustable handheld and shower head here. Now, actually, I barely stayed in here. So, unfortunately, I love the amenities, but this shower for me is a 6 out of 10.
Ooh, a 6. Why a 6? I really like it.
I like it. It's just for functional purposes, I can't take a shower in here. I mean, I'm literally hitting the top of my head. Now, maybe without my shoes on, but it's not very comfortable. It's very interesting having these little
soap
dispensers and whatnot. And it's very well laid out. Just, I feel, especially with the seat down, you might like it, but with the seat down, it's even less space to move around here.
Well, I got to check the shower out because, quite frankly, I love it. Remember, folks, again, I always say he's 6'6", so he doesn't fit in anything. Even buying him clothes is a pain. Okay, see, I got plenty of room, and I'm 5'9". Okay, so, 5'9", 6'6", he's touching. If you're anywhere in between that, you can make the call. Again, I love the dispenser. Got 2 heads there for the rain, and nice seat. If I angle myself just right, I can shave my legs. Yeah, I'm good. Come back in about 15 minutes. All right, never mind. All right, moving on to the bedroom. Okay, let's see what we got back here. we have our king bed. Are we surprised? No, most everyone has king bed. Now this is nice. Is that a mirror? Yeah, that's the outside.
That's a window.
Yeah, it's got reflected on it. I wasn't sure it was a reflection or not. So you have a window above here to let light in if you're reading during the day and laying in the bed. I like that. Very nice
It must
feature.
have some sort of screen, I guess, to obviously close it out.
Yeah, right here.
All right. Well, day
and night.
shade, day night shades. Okay.
Yeah, very
So
nice. I like that.
nice.
I like that a lot.
Good cabinet here.
Yes,
Not
it's all
really
pass
that
through.
deep, but
Yeah, it's pass through though. Okay, I gotta say kudos again. I love that window. Okay, on either side you do have a small drawer and a little bit of an end table, so it's very good.
little sconces on either side here.
And then on this side we have symmetrically two drawers. My side, one's fixed and one is adjustable. Same on that side. We do have a TV here with a light. I don't know if that comes out.
No, that's not. That's fixed.
That looks fixed. Okay. Then across the bottom we actually have 6 drawers. On the top, that's the depth of them. And on the bottom, let's see if we got them a little longer. Yeah, see the bottom ones are longer.
Much longer.
Yeah, so you got plenty of storage there. I kind of like this, especially if you have cats. I could just see them lined up, a couple cat beds. Kind of block the window, but that would be a great place. I might have more room in the bed to sleep. Nothing like a cat on your feet when you're trying to sleep. And Pouncer, guys, if you've been reading about Pouncer. Washer and dryer. Nice.
It's blended.
Yes, it is. I like my washer and dryer, I do. Okay, I love this. I love the glass here that they have.
Look at
I don't like the step up. I almost tripped on it just now.
Look at a spider web.
And we do have a safe back there. We got a couple shoe cubbies here. And this is, I'm guessing, an access panel. I don't want to pull it off. No, it opens up. No, this is actually some fuses and circuit breakers. The access panel is probably that one. Anyway, I hope you like this tour of the London Aire. A lot of stuff in here that I like. Steps I don't like, everybody knows that. Do really like this. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. We go through a lot of work for you. It is free to subscribe, and if you don't know how, email us. We'll tell you. It's simple.
All right.
All right, folks, get with the program. In the meantime,
Open the doors to adventure.
and start all your journeys with
The RVkeys. Have a great day.